Hello guys and welcome to OT Closet. This is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. We will draw, color, and cut. To make a lacing card, you need to get scissors, hole puncher, something round to trace, cardboard paper, string or lace, markers, and when we're done, we'll open the Kinder Egg. Let's trace and make a shape of a circle. Parents can draw and kids can trace. I will draw a face of a puppy to make it fun and engaging. Kids can color the lacing cards using markers or crayons. Next, we're going to cut the circle. Thumb goes in a little hole and the rest of the fingers go in a big one. Hole puncher can be challenging for little hands. Parents can help with hand-over-hand assistance to make the holes. Secure one end of the lace with a knot, and kids can start lacing. For mature lacing, kids need to go from top to bottom, then from bottom to top. Keep lacing until all the holes are filled in. Some of the other things that you can do are letters, numbers, and shapes. Good job exercising your fingers with me. Now it's time for Kinder Egg. It's a cartoon character. Thanks for playing with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.